Hello, students. Let me continue with the second part of the story, The Triumph of Surgery. For 2 days, the narrator kept him just on water, as I told you in the first video. On the second day, Tricky roamed around looking at the place around him, and so on the third day, he was also making noise to let the people in the hospital know that he too wanted to go out with the other dogs. When the narrator opened the door, Tricky quickly came out and was surrounded by Joe, who was a greyhound, and his friends. Again, after sniffing him for a moment, all of them left for the garden, where Tricky followed them. Later in the evening, the narrator was present at the dinner time and was watching all of them, especially Tristan as he was sloping the food. All of them were eating with great speed because they knew that if they didn't finish quickly, then the other dog, after finishing his meal, would come to eat their meal. When everybody finished their food, Tricky went around looking at the shining bowls and also licked a few bowls. The very next day, the extra bowl was put for him, and the narrator was happy to see him running towards his bowl. Then he started getting better really quick. He did not require any medicines and started playing with the other dogs the whole day. They all used to play with each other, bump into each other, walk over each other, and squash each other. All of the other dogs accepted him as a family member, although he was very different from others, as he was very well taken care of by his owner and the others were not. He also used to fight for his meals with his fellow dogs, who were much larger in size than him. At night, he would also hunt rats in the hen house. Tricky was enjoying, as he had never done such things before. All this while, Mrs. Pumphrey used to call more than 12 times a day to inquire about Tricky. Mr. Harriot used to avoid questions about the coats, beds, but he told her that Tricky was doing very good and was recovering very fast. Mrs. Pumphrey wanted Tricky to recover fast. She started sending 24 eggs every day for him, but Mr. Harriot and his partners would have 2 eggs each for breakfast. Then, to improve the quality of blood, Mrs. Pumphrey started sending in bottles of wine too. Then it became Mr. Harriot's habit of having 2 glasses of wine before lunch and a few along with it. Mrs. Pumphrey started sending brandy also. At that time, Mr. Harriot was not able to believe that Mrs. Pumphrey actually wanted them to give brandy to Tricky. They shared it amongst themselves. Some days, Mr. Harriot used to feel very happy as he would start his day with extra eggs, that he would have a few glasses of wine in the afternoon and then ending the day with brandy in the evening. Because of all the things that were being sent for Tricky, Mr. Harriot was really tempted to keep him as a permanent guest at the surgery. He really wanted that Tricky should stay with them forever. But then he realized that Mrs. Pumphrey, who was like a mother to Tricky, was really suffering and really wanted Tricky to come back soon. After 15 days, Tricky was ready to go back home, and Mr. Harriot called up Mrs. Pumphrey to come pick him up. Within a few minutes, a long black car came outside. When the driver opened the door, Mrs. Pumphrey was sitting inside, really nervous as well as excited. She was asking with a nervousness in her voice that was Tricky really better? To which the doctor replied positively. Then Mr. Harriot went inside to get Tricky. When Mr. Harriot went to the garden behind the house, he saw all the dogs moving around in the garden and Tricky was sitting between them. He had recovered wonderfully in 2 weeks. He was looking much healthier, playing with the other dogs, and his chest was touching the ground. He had become a good muscular dog within 2 weeks. When Mr. Harriot took Tricky to the front of the house, he saw that the driver was still holding the door of the car, and as soon as Tricky saw his mother-like mistress, he was overjoyed. He ran away and jumped into the lap of Mrs. Pumphrey and started licking her face, barking in excitement. While all this was happening, the driver and Mr. Harriot got all his stuff out to the car, which had not been used during the treatment in the last 14 days. When Mrs. Pumphrey was leaving, she leaned out of the window and said to Mr. Harriot with tears of joy in her eyes that she could not thank him enough for what he had done. This is a triumph of surgery, meant that the treatment that was given to the Tricky had been successful. Thank you so much. Hope you have understood the lesson.